Thank you for downloading and activating WordPress Easy Guide plugin. Now we will start learning to make a simple guide that will guide your user how to create a new post on WordPress. First of all, go to WPEG Guide at the top dashboard navigation bar. Then click the Create a New Guide. In the pop-up form, fill in the title and description. Click the Add New Guide button to save the guide. Upon clicking the Add New Guide, a new bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. This bottom bar will always appear on every page you visit. Click the Add Step button on the bottom bar to start creating a step. It will display 4 step type options. Click. This step type allows you to make a step by clicking on the element you choose. This type's suitable for showing steps that require click action. Tooltip. By using Tooltip, you can create steps with the next and previous buttons. It's suitable for making product tours. Input. Input lets you add steps using the input type fields in the element you choose. This type is suitable for explaining elements that require an action before moving to the next step. Modal. Modal is suitable for giving a brief description of the guide you made, or explaining something without referring to an element. Now we will make a step that will guide your user to click the Posts menu on the left-hand sidebar. As we want to guide the user to click, then we select the Click step type. Upon choosing step type, any HTML element will be highlighted with a blue outline as you move your cursor around. Now let's hover over the Posts menu and then click so that a bubble appears. Fill in an instruction for your client to click the Posts menu in the title. Then click the Add to List button to save the step, and then the bottom bar will appear again. The bottom bar will appears again indicating the step is saved. Next, we'll repeat each step above for our remaining guide steps. Click the Posts menu. After the Posts page appears, click the Add Step button at the bottom bar. Select Click. Hover and click Add New button. Fill in an instruction the user must do in the title input. Then click the Add to List button. Click the Add New button. In this Add New Post page, the first thing we want is user fills in the post title. Let's click the Add Step button at the bottom bar. Since we want user to fill the title field before moving to the next step, let's choose Input. Highlight and click the Post Title Input. Fill in the instruction that the user must do in the title input. Then click the Add to List button. Next step is telling the user to fill the main editor. Click the Add Step button at the bottom bar, then select Input. Highlight and click the Post Content text area. Fill in the instruction that the user must do in the title input. Then click the Add to List button. Final step is, we would like the user to publish the post. Click the Add Step button at the bottom bar, then select Click. Highlight and click the Publish button. Fill in the instruction that the user must do in the title input. Then click Add to List button. Next, we will make a bubble that states the guide is completed. Click the Add Step button at the bottom bar. Then select Modal. Fill in the statement that informs the user that the guide has finished in the title input. Then click the Add to List button. All the steps we have made before will be displayed in the step list in the bottom bar. Then click the green check button to end the step-making process, and the page will be redirected to the WPEG Manages page. Our newly created guide appears on the guide lists here. To preview the guide we've just made, simply click Preference and Preview Guide. Or you can directly access the guide list under WPEG Guide at the top bar menu. We hope this short tutorial gives you the knowledge to get you started. If you have any question or ideas, don't hesitate to reach our Facebook group. See you there.